Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to score points in Vita Mahjong. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and score points in Vita Mahjong. So basically what you need to do, first of all, you need to go and start the level. Now to score points, when you have the tiles and table here, what you need to do is match the same, of course, symbols, as you can see. So when you click on a symbol, as you can see, it will go up in the top side of the screen. Now the symbol does not have to be one with another for it to be, of course, done in that way. So as you can see, I can click this symbol and then I need one more and then I'll score points, as you can see. But it does not have to be one besides another. So I can click, as you can see, this symbol here and it will do nothing. But if I click the symbol that I already have on the table, which is this cancer, it will get the points again. Now again, if we do it with this horse, now I have the lines, I can click lines and it will be there and it will take it taken. But of course you can click on horse, it will be like that also. So now let me show you this. I can put it like this and we have the third, fourth, which will be the one that I have. It will get a good symbol, as you can see, then get another one, good to get. So you just need to go and match those. As you can see, make it technically good, of course, to go and score those points. So just go and repeatedly do these. Once some, of course, are uncovered, but in the ones in the corner and the edges, as you can see, cannot be moved before you go and move these ones that are on top of it. So as you can see, this one in the top of the corner, I cannot move. But of course, if I uncover it, then it will of course be done in that way. So I can of course go and, but I have to of course go and calmly do it so it has been of course open so that I can of course use it. So you need to go and find the symbol that will of course uncover it for you. I'm talking about that one in the top left corner. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this informative and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.